try to record this video with Drea in the background and Super JoJo. So I want to show you an item that I ordered. I don't order items often, but it's pretty much an unboxing. Drea, I have not purchased a semi-luxe, a budget-friendly bag in years. Okay, it's been years since I purchased a bag. Last bag I purchased was a Coach bag, and it's huge. It's like a carry-on bag. It looks like a bag. I'll have to show it to you. I'll do a Coach video later on, but it's been years. So about 2 years ago when I purchased that, almost 3. So yeah, picked this up. It took about 5 days to get to me when I ordered it. So here's my bag. Okay, poo-poo. This is just a return tag. And here is my bag. So here's my Coach bag. So the handle straps are secure. The zipper is secure. And it says Rowan File Bag. SGI SIG Rowan File Bag. And it says the color brown black.